Here's a 2018 Ford Escape. Yield to adventure. This SUV will take you and your toys to faraway places. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automated parking sensors, dual zone climate control, doors and push button start proximity key, wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, Sync Connect remote engine start smart device, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Need help finding the perfect car to fit your needs? Call, click, or stop into Kalispell Toyota. We're conveniently located at 2845 US Highway 93 South in Kalispell, Montana.